Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to check your recent login activity on your Instagram account and see who's logged in and if someone has recently signed into your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is sign into Instagram and select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then you want to proceed to select the hamburger icon in the top right corner. And then you want to go and select the Account Center button on this page. And then select where it says underneath Account Settings, where it says Password and Security. Go ahead and select that. And then underneath Security Checks, you want to select where it says Login Alerts. And then at this point, it then will pull up the recent sign-ins and where you are currently signed in to your Instagram account. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.